did our work this morning. Our boss left, so we left. We were sightseeing. We've had a wonderful we did a little bit of work this morning. Our supervisor left, so we left and we went out and did a beautiful tour to a falls, Hedge waterfall, something like that. And then we went up to a beautiful lake. Some of the guys went swimming. I waited a little bit, but
there was a rainbow.
There was a rainbow. Oh, there was like two rainbows.
It was like a double weird rainbow.
Some weird ass rainbow.
So, bottom line, awesome. I'm so glad I came in there early. Got to connect with these awesome people right here. We're from all over the place. Life is good. Hope you're having a good day. This guy is quiet. See his head bobbing? He's listening to music. He don't even know what I'm talking about. He's there rocking out, just enjoying life. We're all just enjoying life. Good people.
This is where I took that picture.
It's going to be a good week. So, more to come. You should be here.
Yesterday when I saw